I just made a cinematic commercial in under 90 seconds using only 2 pictures. Watch this.
I really wish my grandmother could see me now.
Tony's Pizza. When you're here, your family.
That's not even the crazy part. The crazy part is that this works for any business, real estate agents, gyms, doctors, lawyers, dentists, anything that you can think of. But that's not even the craziest part. The craziest part is that 99.99% of all businesses in the world don't know that this technology exists. And I say this in all of my videos. The first movers are the ones who are just, remember Bitcoin? When people got in at $5 per Bitcoin? Remember when people bought Tesla stock at $3 a share? Oh my God, it's happening again. Pay attention. Small to medium-sized businesses still think that commercials like this cost anywhere from $10,000 to $40,000 a piece. They have no idea that you can make them in under 3 minutes with 2 pictures and a single sentence. A single sentence. You can make these Super Bowl quality ads. And in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the entire process and show you exactly how I did it and how you can do this as well. But real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal people to profit from AI. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. The tool that I'm going to show you is Higgsfield Marketing Studio. And honestly, this is the most impressive marketing software that I've seen in my entire life. It's crazy. What Marketing Studio does is simple to explain, but it's going to blow your mind when you see it in action. You paste in a product link or a photo, and that's it. That's your entire job. It's as simple as that. And Marketing Studio reads the page, reads the product, and designs a complete cinematic ad in less than 2 minutes. Each one in a unique format designed for any type of buyer that exists. There's UGC style that looks like a real person filmed it. Real walkthroughs, unboxing videos, and hyper-realistic fast-cut ads that are so professional. TV commercial style cinematic ads, and anything that you can think of. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So right now, I'm inside of Higgsfield Marketing Studio, and here's what we're going to do. Check this out. So I found a local coffee shop in my area that needs help with commercials and advertisements. Here's what we're going to do for them. Let me show you how simple this is and how powerful this is. The owner sent me a photo of their signature Bean and Dreams coffee. And these pictures that they have on their social media was taken by one of their part-time employees. And obviously the quality shows. So let me show you what we can do. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Now, remember, the coffee shop gave me a picture of their signature bag of beans. We're going to come down to Market Studio in this section right here. We're going to click on Product. Now, we can enter the URL of a product, an Amazon link, or any URL, and Higgsfield will automatically read the product page and create us a hyper-realistic cinematic video around that. But for this specific example, we're going to do it manually. So I'm going to click on Create Manually, and then I'm going to upload the picture of the beans here. Now, it automatically gave us our product name and the description. All we do is click Create Product. Cool. So we have our product here. We're going to select that. We're going to exit out of here. We can also choose the avatar, guys. We can choose any model we want. Now, Higgsfield has a selection of all these models. You can upload a picture of the store owner, of yourself, of your favorite AI model that you created. The sky is the limit with this. Let's go ahead and choose Sophia, which is one of my AI avatars. Now, we have the product. We have Sophia. The only thing left is to choose our video style. We have UGC, tutorial, unboxing, hypermotion, product review, TV spot, wildcard, UGC virtual try-on, or pro virtual try-on. But for a coffee commercial, I think the best one is going to be the UGC. So we're going to go ahead and choose that. 16:9, we're going to keep it on that. 1080p, and let's bump it up to 15 seconds. Cool. Last step is to prompt it. So let's give it a simple prompt like this. And it doesn't have to be complicated, guys. Something simple like this will suffice. Oh, this sounds like a nursery rhyme. Something simple like this will suffice. Let's do it. Take this bag of beans, put it on a dining room table, and have this girl opening the bag of beans, smelling it, and saying, "Oh my God, that smells like heaven. It's 7 p.m., but I want to drink coffee right now because this is just so amazing. I'm absolutely obsessed." And that's it. That's all we need to do. Okay, So product is there, avatar is there, all of our settings are set. We got the prompt locked in. That took us, 1 minute to do. Then we click on generate. Let's see what it gives us.
Oh my God, that smells like heaven. It's 7 p.m. But I want to drink coffee right now because this is just so amazing. I'm absolutely obsessed.
Okay. Beans and Dream whole beans. Wow, that smells super great. I feel like I'm in heaven. Medium roast, perfection.
If you've ever watched any of my previous videos, you know that I'm always talking about AI influencers and selling these types of packages to local businesses. And this is the reason why Higgsfield does 99% of the heavy lifting for you. Let's mix it up a little bit. Let's just get raw and rugged and let's have some fun. Let's take this same model, Sophia, and let's put her inside of a small local fast food restaurant promoting their new double cheeseburger. The name of the restaurant is called Hungry's and their slogan is Feel the Flame. All right, all we need is 2 pictures, the picture of the cheeseburger and the picture of the model, a simple prompt. Let's get it.
Okay, I just got the Hungry's double cheeseburger. Look at this. Cheddar's melting, pickles, onion, peak editor to small. I'm going in. So juicy. That cheese pull? If you're here, you have to try it.
Okay, I like the style, but that style is kind of California Valley Girl. Let's go for a little bit of Deep South, a girl next door vibe. Again, we're using the same 2 pictures, the avatar and the picture of the product, but let's prompt it differently. Let's say, put her on the side of the highway. She's sitting behind a pickup truck. She's wearing flannels. Her hair is kind of flapping in the wind. Normal, everyday girl next door vibe, eating the cheeseburger and loving it.
I pulled over for this Hungry's cheeseburger. Beef is juicy, cheddar's melty, and the pickles with red onion. Perfect. It's messy in the best way. If you're on this road, trust me, get one.
I've been thinking about this Hungry's double cheeseburger all day. Look at that cheddar melt. It's messy, juicy, perfect. 1 bite and I'm good. If you're near the diner, get it.
Alrighty, let's mix it up just a little bit. Let's take this lipstick, this fashionable lipstick tube. Let's put it with this model and let's do an unboxing and then a UGC try-on video. Let's see what it gives us.
Okay, moment of truth. Wait, shine? This feels so luxe. I need it on right now.
Okay, this Shine lipstick is my new purse staple. The tube feels so luxe. 1 swipe and it's glossy, smooth, not sticky. Look at that shine. Seriously, if you want an instant polished lip, get it.
Okay, so now that you've seen the power of Higgsfield Marketing Studio, let's talk about how to actually create a business with this. Here's the simplest version of what you're going to do. Pick 1 type of local business. 1. Not 2, not 5, only 1. And the businesses that work best are the ones that rely heavily on visuals, like restaurants and gyms and med spas and cafes and fitness studios, hair salons, etc., etc. These are businesses where the product is the visual. A plate of food, a transformation, a space, a result. That's what makes AI video hit so hard in these niches. The visual is the sell. So pick 1 niche and stick with it for your first 10 clients. This is the single most important decision you're going to make. Here's why this matters more than anything else. If you try to help restaurants and gyms and dentists and landscapers all at once, you are a generalist. Generalists charge $500. Specialists charge way more. Now, when you walk into a restaurant and say, I make hyper-realistic video ads specifically for local restaurants. I've done it for 3 others in the city. The owners pay attention. When you say, I do video ads for any business, the owner thinks that you're just another freelancer and they politely say no. Specialists win every single time. So, step by step. Step number 1, sign up for Higgsfield Marketing Studio. The link is in the description below. Step number 2, make 3 sample videos. Pick 1 real business in your niche in your city. One you can actually walk in tomorrow or send an email or send a DM. grab a product photo from their Instagram or website, drop it into Marketing Studio, generate the ads, pick the 3 best. That's your sample pack. That's your sample pack for all of the restaurants that you're going to visit, that you're going to send DMs. 3 minutes of work, no wasted credits, no endless generating. Step number 3, build your lead list. Open Google Maps, search your niche in your city, like restaurants near me or gyms in your town or whatever you picked. Write down 20 to 30 businesses. Get every touch point you can. This is so important. Get their phone number, their website, their email, their Instagram, their physical address. Build a simple spreadsheet, all of that. Step number 4, reach out. Every channel, every business. This is where most people freeze, guys. Don't freeze here. Work the list. For each business, use as many touch points as possible. Walk in during a slow hour, call the phone number on the website, email the business directly, or DM them on Facebook and Instagram. So while you are doing all of the steps that I just talked about, I want you to do another thing. I want you to lay the base of your business. And I think this is one of the easiest ways to start a business with Higgsfield, because this is something that sits there and it's something that can possibly pay you consistently. What I'm talking about is Fiverr. Now, there are a lot of people who sell video ads and UGC services on Fiverr. So I came here, I typed in video ads. Look at some of the prices that they're charging. $500, $490, $750, $350, $1,000, $200. Let's click into one of these. He's charging $1,000 for 15 seconds of high quality video. Standard, $2,000. Premium, $4,000. But check this out, guys. Here's where I believe you can really shine. Most people on Fiverr and Upwork have 7 to 14 day delivery times. In 2026, nobody has time to wait that long. If you put 1 day delivery or 2 day delivery in your title and you massively undercut this guy or your competition, let's say you charge $500 just as an example, the possibilities with this are endless. Let's check UGC creators as well. These people are real human beings charging $300, $300, $175, $400. But look at this. Let's click into one of their profiles here. And this woman, God bless her soul, she has a lot of good reviews. She's at 5 stars. But check this out. Basic $300 for a 15-second video. Standard $350, premium $400. But it takes 5 days for her to deliver her product. If you put 1 day and you charge $100 to $200 for a 15 to 20 second video, guess who's getting all the business? I hope you liked the video, guys. I hope it brought you some value. And if you want to try Higgsfield Marketing Studio, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description below. And also, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to profit from it, I run one of the fastest growing AI income newsletters in the world. I'd love for you to join the family. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to my newsletter below. It's completely for free, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.